Hey there, beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest and most effective ways to elevate your self-care routine. If you've ever felt like your manual toothbrush just isn't cutting it, today's product might be the upgrade your smile has been craving. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip that keeps you looking and feeling your best. So, let's talk about the Philips Sonicare Battery Toothbrush in Midnight Blue, model HY100/04. This is designed as a step up from your standard manual brushing, combining micro vibrations with soft, tapered nylon bristles to gently polish your teeth. It promises a brighter, cleaner smile by pairing your natural brushing motions with these high-frequency bristle movements. It comes with a 2-minute timer, 30-second interval alerts to ensure every quadrant of your mouth gets attention, and an impressive 3-month battery life. For convenience, it's travel-friendly, sleek, and lightweight, fitting neatly into a compact case, with color-matched brush heads that are compatible only with this Philips One line. In practice, I found the brush incredibly straightforward to incorporate into my morning and evening routines. The vibrations are subtle but noticeable, giving a gentle polishing effect without feeling harsh on the enamel or gums. The soft nylon bristles glide smoothly across teeth and along the gum line, which is essential if, like me, you're careful about sensitivity. The 2-minute timer with 30-second notifications is genuinely helpful for maintaining consistent brushing habits. A small feature, but it makes a big difference. The compact travel case is a bonus. It's sturdy and lightweight, making it perfect for trips without taking up much space in your luggage. On the pros side, the design is sleek and visually appealing, and the vibrations feel effective yet gentle. Battery longevity is excellent, especially for a brush that uses a single AAA battery. It's user-friendly, with no complicated settings or unnecessary buttons, making it ideal for anyone looking to upgrade from manual brushing without learning a new system. On the flip side, it's important to note that you need to replace the brush head every 3 months, which adds to ongoing costs. Also, the compatibility is limited to Philips One brush heads, so you can't mix and match with other Sonicare lines. In terms of value, I'd say it's fairly priced, considering the technology, performance, and convenience it offers. If you compare it to other battery-operated brushes, this one stands out for simplicity and portability, even if it doesn't have multiple cleaning modes like higher-end models. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. The build quality is solid for a travel-friendly toothbrush. The brush head feels durable, the handle has a comfortable grip, and the travel case protects it well. I haven't experienced any durability issues, and the 3-month battery life claim holds up even with regular use. Philips also has a strong reputation for customer support, so if you ever have questions or issues, they are known to be responsive and helpful. For those who find the price slightly high, you could explore other battery toothbrushes in the market with similar micro-vibration technology, though they might lack the sleek design and long battery life Philips offers. That said, if you're looking for a reliable, travel-friendly upgrade from a manual toothbrush, this model hits the mark. Overall, the Philips Sonicare Battery Toothbrush delivers a genuinely improved brushing experience. It's simple, effective, and designed with both portability and daily use in mind. I'd recommend it to anyone ready to elevate their dental routine without the need for complex features or multiple settings. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase the Philips Sonicare Battery Toothbrush is in the comments below. If you've tried it already, drop a comment and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.